Hello, children. This is Manish Sir, your English teacher. Today, I have taken a new chapter that is Reach for the Top. There is a poem in this chapter on killing a tree. This poem is for students of class 9th, and in this poem we would study about the trees. How do we kill them? In this poem, the poet uses sarcasm. We are very sarcastic people. He says about human being and humanity using sarcasm, kataksh. Let you know the explanation of this poem stanza wise. You must have observed people cutting trees down, as it has been given at the very beginning of the poem. You must have observed people cutting down trees. We must watch people who cuts down the trees. But can they kill a tree? This is the question. Could the people kill a tree? Is it easy to do so? Is it so easy to kill a tree? Let's read the poem and find out what the poet says on killing a tree. What does the poet say about killing a tree? Let you know going through the stanza. First stanza of this poem. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth. Within first stanza of this poem, the poet says, it takes much time to kill a tree. We can't kill a tree in a short time. We need more and more time to cut or cope a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. And it is not easy to kill a tree by a single jab, single attack of the knife. It is impossible. We can't kill a tree by the single attack of the knife. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth, because the tree has grown slowly, gradually, day after day, time after time, consuming, absorbing the elements, nutrients, moisture, as well as heat from sun, in the atmosphere, and elements which he could observe from the earth. So he consumes the earth and get nutrients, useful elements to grow itself. Next stanza of this poem, let me scroll up the screen. Rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide, sprouting leaves. How does it grow? Slowly consuming the earth. It consumes slowly the earth, getting nutrients, moisture, and useful elements. Rising out of it. It rises out, feed itself upon its crust. Crust is the upper part of the tree. Absorbing years of sunlight and it absorbs sunlight throughout the years. It absorbs air, it absorbs water, it absorbs, every useful elements from the atmosphere also, as well as the earth. And out of its leprous height sprouting leaves, and it comes out upward, and leaves sprouts, sprouting leaves, new leaves coming out slowly, new leaves come out, and it sprouts itself, just its leprous height, and it tries to approach upward. It grows up gradually, day after day, time after time. So this is the process for growing up a tree, and it is not simple, it is not easy to kill a tree by the single jab, single attack of knife. Means it is not easy for a human being to kill a tree for a short time, and within a short time it is very difficult. Let you know the next stanza of this poem, that is so hack and cope. The first line of the third stanza is so hack and cope. Hack means attack, cut, and cope by cutting the tree, just attacking with the help of axe or any other instrument. But this alone would not do it. Attacking and killing, cutting, copying a tree is not enough to kill it. Not so much pain will do it, and it will not give so much pain to the tree. The bleeding bark will heal, and after some time, this is the natural process of aging and recovering, as well as healing the wounds of natural living organism. Trees